Welcome to the Hydro Garden TV channel. Today we'll be looking at Vitalink Hydro Max. The product is pretty much the same as it was before. It still comes in A and B sets, grow and bloom formulations, and is available for hard water, soft water locations. Although we have made some tweaks to the solution. EDDHA has been mixed into the liquid. EDDHA acts as a chelating ingredient which basically forms a shell around iron. This protects it against mixing with other elements and makes iron more available to the plant. Fulvic acid has been mixed into the solution which helps nutrient uptake. Don't be alarmed about the tweaks, they have been added to improve results. Hydro Max is available in our newly designed bottles in 1 litre, 5 litre and 10 litre sizes. We recommend you use Vitalink Hydro Max in hydroponic systems. For grow formulation, A and B set should be used in the first 3 weeks of vegetation. You would then use our bloom set during bloom week 2 until week 8. Please refer to our growth charts for more information. You can find these on our website, Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching, see you next time.